discussing how to what we were discussing now in the previous
Comma.
class. How to insert commas in Indian system of numeration. All of you understood? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now, how to insert comma in 7 digits
International.
number and 7 digits yesterday we did?
Yes, ma'am. 7 digits and 8 digits.
8 digits.
What we did?
8 digits and 7 digits.
8 digits also finished?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. Finished.
All of them. Okay, now what we were going to, so 8 digits also finished yesterday itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How to insert commas? What is the next system of numeration?
International.
International system of.
System of
You tell me what is meant by international system of numeration, Shreya? What is meant by international?
From outside of India.
What do you mean by international?
Yes, right. Out of country.
Yes,
Outside of
outside India. Outside India, what we were telling, how will you read the numbers that we are going to discuss here, okay? How to insert comma first, then we can read the.
Read the numbers.
Shall we start now?
Yes,
International system of numeration. Indian system of numeration, after how many digits you will insert comma? 3. After 3 digits, then 2, 2. Okay?
Two
Now we can
digits.
start next one, international system of numeration.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
International system of numeration, we can start now. Now, in international system of numeration, we are inserting comma after each three digits. Okay? How will you insert comma in international system of numeration? We are inserting
After
comma
three.
after each three digits. So we can start with the how many digits numbers now? 6 digits numbers. Okay? 6 digit numbers.
6 digits.
6 digit numbers. Okay? So international next
Excuse me, ma'am.
inserting comma.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for this numeration, what was it?
International numeration.
Yes, ma'am. International system of numeration and that one also, right?
Which one? Together. Both. International. International system of numeration. Okay. This is the heading, you have to write it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we want to write the definition of international system of numeration and Indian system of numeration.
What?
Ma'am, can you hear me properly?
Here, little bit lagging is there. Yes, tell me.
We want to write definition of international system of numeration.
No need of writing definition. No need of writing definition of international system.
Okay,
all are knowing, simply asked. Okay, international
so how
system
to write the notes, ma'am? How to write notes?
You want to write in that?
No, how to write notes in the file?
No, next heading you can write. I will send the notes. You want notes for this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
You want to write?
I will send all the notes now.
No need, ma'am.
No need. Only this system of numeration, two system of how to insert commas in this two system of numeration. That's all.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
International system of 5 to 8 problems I am giving. Based on that, you can write it. Okay, now international system of numeration. So first heading you write, insert comma. Insert comma.
I did not see the board.
Yes.
See the
Insert
word,
comma in
ma'am.
the following numbers. Insert comma in, yes.
You should write it in the file and file it.
Everything you have to keep in your file. Now, if you want to write in rough book, you write it. Afterwards, you have to keep in this
Ma'am,
file.
I write in my
Yes.
maths book.
If you are able to write, no problem. You can write
Okay,
in
ma'am.
notes.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
year we want to write in papers, right? Notes.
Notes you have to write in paper. That means you have to keep it in your file.
Ma'am, this you should file it.
Yes,
should
this
write
one
it
also
in
you can file it.
I write in rough book and at home I'll write. We can
In house, afterwards you write neatly if you want. Otherwise, you can write directly only, no problem. Okay? Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
So what you are going, but this should be there in the notes. How to insert comma, international system of
Okay, ma'am.
numeration. So what is the question? Insert comma in the following numbers. Okay. First example you can write.
Ma'am, how many digits?
How many digits? First we are starting now 6 digits. Okay, we can start with the 6 digits. Shall I rub the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
International system of numeration and insert comma and write the following numbers. Okay, is it correct? Now, how will you insert comma? Angelina, how will you insert comma here?
Ma'am.
Yes, in international system of numeration, you are inserting comma after 3 digits. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
for every three digits, you are inserting comma there.
Means 1 group 625.
So, how will you read this number now? How will you read this number? How will you read this number? 600 and
100,000, 200,
no,
600.
625,000. 625,341. How will you read this number? 625,341. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
1,000 place. How many thousand place are there? 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. How will you read this number? 625,341. Amin, are you feeling bored? Yes or no? Are you following now? How many digits are there? First, what is the first question you wrote? 625, 41.
All are shouting, ma'am.
Who is shouting now? Again started? Ahil, are you muted your audio?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you read this number? Amin, you read that number now. Others, all of you mute. Only Amin he should answer.
625,341.
341. Is it clear? How will you insert comma after 3 digits? Okay? 3 digits. Second one you can write. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
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 Yes. Who did not mute their audio? Thomas. After how many digits you will insert comma? Shiva Gayatri? After 3 digits. After each 3 digits you are inserting the comma. In Indian system of numeration, Ahil, after how many digits?
3 digits.
3 digits. 2 digits
And then
each.
2 digits.
2 digits each. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Any doubt
Excuse me,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is your doubt?
Ma'am Shreya.
Hmm.
I have doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, is there any other name for comma in this chapter? Comma.
No name.
Is there any other name?
No, no. Why?
Someone said period and like that.
Period.
Yes, ma'am. For
Okay.
that.
First period, second
Comma.
period, like that.
Period is the
Okay. You can read like that. Okay, no problem. Second period, third period. Okay, shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, ma'am.
The second problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Second one. I will rub the number now. You can write, copy the question, all of you. 6, 7, second question. 6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 4.
Finish.
6, 7, 8, 4, 3, 4.
And can I tell answer?
Wait. Who is that?
Ahil.
Ahil, tell me now. Others, all of you mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ahil.
434, 678.
That's all. 400.
Can I read it?
Yes, how will you read that?
6,078 434.
434. Okay, very good. So all of them able to read now? Shiva Gayatri, any doubt? Are you following?
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Yes?
Ma'am, can you say it again?
Number?
No, ma'am, how to read the number?
Yeah, that read one problem, something.
Reading a problem. So 434, one group.
8,000.
Second group is 678.
only.
600. In International System of Numeration, there is no lakh. Okay? 100,000 is the same as 1 lakh. Okay? 100. Then they are reading as, these are all 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000. So how many thousands are there here? 678 thousands are there. 678. What is the next number? All ones, tens, 100 together. 434. How we are reading? Like that only. 678,434. Is it clear? So they are having 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. How will we read the number? Indian system of numeration, Anandan? How we will read this number?
Indian system of numeration.
Indian system of numeration. How will you read?
678,000.
Indian system.
Can I?
Indian system.
Hmm.
78,430.
Where it is starting
Can I
now?
tell? Can I tell?
6 lakhs 78,434. How will you read in International System of Numeration? 678,436. Is it clear?
43.
Now second, third problem I will write. And you can. Third question. I will change the question now. 796453. You have to insert comma and you have to read it.
Can I tell?
Yes, wait. Shall I change the question now? Yes, 1 minute I will give. 1 minute to copy the question.
Finished.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am.
Wait. Who is telling that? I told pin drop silence. Okay. Now, to whom Krishna? Now, Angelina Martin is unmute now. Tell me fast.
453, and 796.
796. How will you read that number? How will you read that number?
96.
How will you read that number?
796,453.
Okay, I think it is clear for you. Is it clear, Vinayak?
Yes,
Vinayak?
ma'am.
Yes. Shall we go to the next one? Next question? Yes.
Ma'am, which question now?
6 digits. After finishing that, we can go for 7 digits. Shall I
1
update?
minute, ma'am. 1 minute. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me the question. Copied the question.
Yes, ma'am. Which one, ma'am? Third one?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question. All of you copy the question. Again, I will not show the board.
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. I will wait till 154 here. 1 minute is more. Copied the question, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Abhishek, how you, yes, Vishnu Venu, tell me now.
453, 987,
985. Aditi Ishwar, how will you read? Now you mute it. Aditi
Can I
Ishwar, how will you read? Unmute. Yes, I cannot hear. Amin?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, who is that?
Vaiga.
Vaiga, tell me. Wait.
987,453.
Okay, 900 and, okay. Finished all of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes. Next problem we can go. Last one of 6 digits.
And can you say the question again?
Which one? Question. Question is there. 987453. Last one of this. Copy the question, 5th one.
Finish.
Finished all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going for 1 minute is more. Yes. Next
Ma'am,
one.
can you-
Sri Shankar, you read the number now.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you read that number? Yes.
654,328.
How will you insert comma and how will you read the number? Fast.
654 finish on comma.
Hmm.
After 3 digit.
Yes.
Then read 654,328.
Okay. Is it correct? Is it correct, Krishna, what he told?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you listening here? Yes. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we go to the 7 digits now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Shall I rub it? I am going to rub the questions now. So write slowly and give the next one. Yes, 7 digits. 7 digits. Seven, 4, 3, 2, 6, 8, 1. Shall I tell once? How will you insert comma?
Yes, ma'am.
681, 1 comma. 432, another comma, second group. Third group will be only 7. Okay. So how will you read this number? Can anyone tell?
I'm Sri Shankar.
Yes. Yes, Abhishek, tell me. 7 lakh. No, now we are going to read the number in International System of Numeration.
7 million.
7 million.
7 million.
Others, mute your,
432,000.
others, all of you mute. 7,432,681. 7,432,681. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
7 million. Now all are these thousands. So over thousands, afterwards what it is coming? 7 million.
Million. One more. Can you read one more time?
Yes, which one?
And can you read it one more
7
time?
million. 7 million. How will you read that number, Amin?
7,432,681.
681. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
7 digits means millions will come. Next to 10 millions. Like that. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes or no? Saurav, are you doing? Show me your paper where you are written. Where you wrote the answer. Show me your paper. Saurav. Yes, all are writing. That time itself you copy the question and you can keep it in your file. Okay? If it is written neatly. Otherwise, once again you can copy it. Yes. I'm going to change the number now. Rub the number here. 1245678.
Finish, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished.
Yes. Now who is there to tell the answer? Angelina Martin. Ahil, once you told. Yes.
Ma'am, can I read it?
Read the number now. Next, I will give the chance for you. Yes, Ahil.
Can I read?
Yeah, read fast. How will you insert comma and read the number?
245,678.
Is it correct? Million you told?
Yes. 1,245,678.
7 digits I gave now.
Yes, ma'am.
7 digits were there.
Yes.
So what is the first number?
1 million.
1 million. That you are missing there. 1 million.
I told 1 million.
Yes.
Maybe connectivity problem. Let me look. I told 1 million.
Told. Okay.
Yeah.
But I did not hear. 1,245,678. Is it clear, Amin? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, next one. Third problem, we can write it. Write fast the number.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to show me the number now. Fast.
Look.
Yes, finished means? Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, excellent. Copy the number, all of you. Again, I will not write it. Show the board.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you copy it. Anandan, over.
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell?
Yes, tell me.
521.
Yes, 521, 1 comma, 1 group. 684, 1 group. 7.
Ma'am, can you read?
Next one, who will read?
Amin.
Amin, read. You are reading many times. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, 521. Excellent. Next one. Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
Finished all of you? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Powell, any doubt? Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
7 million. Okay, very good. All are showing their answers. That means again I will not send. Okay? Yes. You can insert comma. 2 participants raise their hand. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shreya, finish writing. One more. Who is that?
No, not that, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you say the second question one more time?
Second
Ma'am,
question I will ask
I got
others.
some connectivity problem, ma'am.
Okay,
Connectivity problem.
Yes, Angelina Martin, tell the second question and give to her. What is the second question you wrote? She will tell. because- Yes.
1, 2, 4, 5.
Write the number.
7, 8.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Got it? Now, fourth
Yes, ma'am.
problem. What is the fourth problem? Read Pooja now. How you inserted comma?
5 million.
924, 1 group.
Yes.
Second group,
678.
678. How will you read that number?
5,607,000.
678,000.
8,900.
Ma'am, it is not Pooja, ma'am.
24. Shreya, any doubt?
Ma'am, it is not Pooja.
Which one?
Now, one said right. It's not Pooja.
Then who is that?
That is
Amin.
Amin.
Amin only told.
Yeah.
Amin, I will keep you mute now. 5,678,924. Are you writing now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many digits now we are learning?
7.
7.
7. Now it did it. Oh, it did it.
No, wait. That's 9.
Ma'am, one more, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the limit of international system?
Which one?
What is the limit of international system?
No limit. Numbers are not having any limit. They will be reading the number 100 billion, trillion, billion, trillion, 100 million, 100 trillion, trillion, like that.
Ma'am, which is the
So
longest
many
amount?
billion.
Huh?
Ma'am, which is the longest amount in international
Longest
system?
number.
Longest amount in
No
international
longest amount. There is 8 digits are there, 9 digits are there. So many, no, never ending. Numbers are not having any end. What is the end of this world you are knowing?
No, ma'am.
What was the beginning of the world you are knowing?
No, ma'am.
The world and the numbers will be there. Till the world is ending, the numbers, there is no limit for this. Okay? 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 2, 5. Who is that
Excuse
now?
me,
Who did not
Ma'am,
read?
Echo is coming.
Shreya.
Echo is coming. Echo.
Yes? Okay, time over. I think some more joining there. Okay, I will stop it now. Already
One
over.
more class is there.
Okay, they are joining. Other teachers are
14 to
joining. Okay, we
3:50.
can wind up.